Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Crypto Experts channel. In this video, we will cover how to find recently added coin on Coingecko.com. So let's get started. Coingecko is similar like Coinmarketcap. As in previous video, I guide you how you can use Coinmarketcap in PC, and then I guide you how you can find recently added coin on Coinmarketcap. So Coingecko is a market watcher where you can find any coin, market cap, 24-hour volume, exchange, and many more. So for beginners, Coingecko is the best website where you can find any coin, current price, 1 hour volume, as we can say the price goes up or down, 24-hour volume, 1 week, 24-hour volume, market cap, and last 7-day chart. So in Coingecko, there are many options. As you can find recently added coin, those coin can be called sheet coin. So you can find sheet coin and you can buy them on Pancakeswap, as I uploaded video how to buy new coin on Pancakeswap using MetaMask. Make sure to watch this video. So this recently added coin give you much profit, 500 profit, 1000 profit, 100% profit in a day, in 1 hour. So never forget such a coin, because this coin can give you much profit. So come to coingecko.com, then go to coins, and here you can see recently added. Simply click on the option. On recently added coins, you can see all the new listed coin that launched within 30 minutes, 5 hours, 8 hours, 9 hours. Here you have multiple of coins, and these coins can give you 253% profit in a day. So what you think? Do you want to miss such a profit? I don't think so. I never miss such a profit, because I bought this coin and now I'm in profit. Here you will have multiples of sheet coins. These coins don't have any technical analysis. Somehow it has fundamental analysis. You can search about this. You can search this coin on its Twitter account, on website, check its white paper. But about technical analysis, this website don't have that. So what it means? These coins can give you profit within hour, within 1 day, but these coins can, what I want to say, that these coins, the price suddenly goes up, the price suddenly comes down. You cannot expect that the price suddenly goes up and come down. For that, how to check any coin chart? Because in Coingecko, let me show you. In Coingecko, you cannot see its trading view chart. So what you need another website, as we have Pocoin.app. In Pocoin.app, you can search any new listed and find them and check its chart. See the new coin, this one, last added 35 minutes ago, and check the chart. See, let me show you. Within 35 minutes, the price goes from here till there, then suddenly it comes down like this. So this coin can give you much profit if you buy them from here and sell there. So you will get thousands of profit. So always check Pocoin.app if you want to check any new coin chart, because you don't get them on Coingecko or Coinmarketcap. So in recently added coins, you can list them on your watch list. Make sure to create account here, sign up and create account, and subscribe to this website in order to get notification while any news comes. So this is the coin's name, this is the current price, 1 hour percentage, 24 hour percent, 7 days percent. See, no 7 days percent because they all are new. Yesterday this coins launched. See, 24 hour, before 24 hour. So these all are new coins. Tokyo Inu, I'm still in profit on this. I'm still in profit. So try to buy these coins because these coins will give you much profit. As you know, nowadays the market, the condition of market, you know, the price of BTC goes 47. If it breaks the 47, then I'm sure it will touch 43,000. So these days, hold your coin, patient, be patient. Patient is the key of success. Hold the coin, come to here, get the new coin, just buy them on Pancakeswap and get your daily profit, and hold your those coins that you bought them on exchange like XRP, ADA, LTC, Link, Cheese, and many more. So click to the coin if you want to buy them. So what you should do? At first you should check its website. Okay, check its website. Then it is the contract address of the coin, because this coin is not added on Pancakeswap or yet any other decentralized exchange, so you need to add them yourself. Then check its community, its social media account, Twitter, Telegram, Discord.com, Reddit. So check them and follow them on Twitter. This is the website. Check all its update and features. Then it's the market cap is still question mark because recently this coin is added. The 24-hour trading volume is near to 2 million. Then circulating supply is still not mentioned. Then here you can see its overview. Then markets. This is available on Pancakeswap version 2. Pancakeswap version 2. It means that this is the exchange where you can buy this coin. You can buy this coin in eToro X exchange, crypto.com, Pancakeswap version 2. This is the exchange where you can find this coin. Then check the chart. This one is the chart. Then historical data. So like this you can find the new recently added coin on Coingecko. So I hope you never miss such a coin, because this coins will give you 500% profit as well. So if you don't know how to buy such a coin on Pancakeswap or any decentralized website, so make sure to watch this video, how to buy new coin on Pancakeswap. Don't miss this video, okay? So this video is just ended here. I hope you get how to find recently added coin on Coingecko.com, and I hope you never miss recently added coin, because those coins give you much profit. Only invest $50, $100, $70, not much, not 200, 300, 500. There are users that they invest 1,000, 2,000 and they get 10,000 profit, 50,000 profit. So these coins are risky. Again, your wish, what you want to, or how much you want to invest. So if you like this video, just hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe our channel if you want to make money daily with crypto. So hit the bell icon to get notification while we upload a new video. For now, goodbye and see you in next video.